Namaskaram. Good morning, everyone. Today we are again here for yoga and physical activity session. So let's come for today's session. And in this session, today we will do some micro yogic practice and then some yogic asana practices. After that, Surya Namaskara and Pranayama yogic abhyasa. So let's come for our session. First, we will start our session with Gayatri Mantra. Sit any meditative posture. Today we will sit on Padmasana. How to sit on Padmasana step by step. First, hold your right leg ankle and place your right feet upper part of left thigh, root of upper part of left thigh, just like, and hold your left leg ankle and place your left feet upper part of right thigh, root of upper part of right thigh. Got it, everyone? This position like lotus. Padma means lotus, and this yogic asana, this sitting yogic asana, very useful yogic asana for your back spine. If you are not able to sit on Padmasana, you can sit on Saralasana. Saralasana, just like normally fold your legs. It's called Saralasana. But today we will trying to sit on Padmasana. So let's come. Spine should be straight. Normalize your breathing. Relax your shoulder. Adopt Namaskara mantra and start Gayatri mantra together. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Rub your both palms and place your both palm on your eyes, your face muscle, and slightly open your eyes. Look at your palm with a gentle smile. Release the asana. Stand up, everyone. Place both hands on your waist, legs apart according to your shoulder, and exhale. Gently head down and touch your chin to the chest. Inhale, head up. Exhale, down. Inhale, 2. Exhale, down. Inhale, 3. Exhale, down. Inhale, 4. Exhale, down. Inhale, 5. Exhale, down. Inhale, 6. Exhale, down. Inhale, 7. Exhale, down. Inhale, 8. Exhale, down. Inhale, 9. Exhale, down. Inhale, 10. Exhale, down. Inhale, come slowly to the center. And exhale, twist your head to left side and look back from left shoulder. With exhalation, inhale, come to center, and exhale, twist to right side, look back from right shoulder. Inhale, center, exhale, left. Inhale, center, exhale, right. Inhale, center, exhale, left. inhale center, exhale right, inhale center, exhale left, inhale come slowly to the center, and exhale bend your head, touch your chin to the chest and go for head rotation. Make a complete circle. 1, 2, feel the stretch around the neck. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, reverse, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come to center. Stretch your both hands in front and clench your finger. Clench with inhalation and release with exhalation. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Elbow movement. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Place both hands on your shoulder with finger, elbows together, and go for shoulder rotation. Make a complete circle. Bicep touching to the ear. Elbows together. Make a complete big circle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, reverse, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release both hands from side. Place both hands on your waist, legs apart according to your shoulder, and go for hip rotation. Make a complete circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, reverse, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release, control center. And next, side bending. Legs together, feet together. Come to Samasthiti. Inhale, raise your left hand above the head, left bicep touching to the ear, and exhale, bend to right side. Look up. Right bicep touching to the ear. Look up. Hold here for 5 to 10 seconds. Come slowly to the center. Same with the opposite hand. Raise your right hand above the head. Right bicep touching to the ear. And exhale, bend to left. Right bicep touching to the ear. Look up. Inhale, come slowly to the center. Release your hand. Next, Kati Chakrasana. Legs apart, 1 to 1.5 feet gap in between your legs. Raise your both arms in line with the shoulder and exhale, twist to left side. Place your right hand on your left shoulder and your left hand behind your back and intertwine your waist. Look back from left shoulder. Hold here for 5 to 10 seconds. Comes to the center and exhale, twist to right side. Place your left hand on your right shoulder, your right hand behind your back and intertwine your waist with your right hand. Look back from right shoulder. Hold here for 5 to 10 seconds. Inhale, center and release. Next, legs together, feet together, knee movements. Place both palm on your kneecap and go for knee movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, reverse 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Release. Place both hands on your waist. Stretch your right leg in front and go for ankle rotation. Make a complete big circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, reverse 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Same with the opposite leg. Stretch your left leg in front. Make a complete circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, reverse 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slow release. Normalize your breathing. Take few normal breaths. Okay, let's come for next yogic asana practices. First, yogic asana practice in standing position, Vraksasana. Bend your right leg and hold your right leg ankle and place your right feet inner part of left thigh and your right heel closer to your perineum part, just like. First, stay here in this position, look at your front, any kind of point and balance here and focus their point and adopt Namaskara Mudra. Step 2, and next variation, raise your both arms above the head, both palms touching each other, bicep touching to the air, and hold here for 5 to 10 seconds. Release your both hands from side and release your leg. Same with the opposite leg. Bend your left leg, hold your left leg ankle and place your left feet inner part of right thigh and your left heel closer to your perineum part. First stay here in this position, look at your front and kind of point. And to adopt Namaskara Mudra. And next, raise your both arms above the head, bicep touching to the ear, and hold here for 5 to 10 seconds. And release your both hands from side and release your leg and relax. Next, yogic asana in sitting position. Sit on the mat. Come to sitting position. Come to Vajrasana. Stand on your knees. Ardha Chandrasana. Hold your both hands just like, and inhale, arch back, drop your neck back, and hold here for 5 to 10 seconds. And exhale, come to set. Ardha Chandrasana. One more round. Inhale. And exhale. Release. Come to Vajrasana. Normalize your breathing. Take few normal breaths. This yogic asana very beneficial to spinal disease, cervical spondylitis, sciatica and slip disc and lumbar spondylitis. So let's come for our next yogic asana in proline position. Lay down on your stomach. Place both palms closer to the chest and next yogic asana, Triyak Vischikasana. Inhale, raise your right leg up as much as you can lift up and exhale, drop to left side, just like. Inhale, come back. Same with opposite leg. Inhale, lift your left leg up as much as you can lift and exhale, drop to right side. Inhale, come back. One more round. Inhale, lift your right leg up come back. Same with the opposite leg. Inhale and exhale. Come back. Place both palms beside your chest and counter yogic asana. Sasankasana. Come to Sasankasana. Legs apart. Inhale, come back. Come to Vajrasana. And come to standing position. Let's come for Surya Namaskara round. Today we will do 10 round of Surya Namaskara round. First, come to top of the mat, feet together. Come to Samasthiti, normalize your breathing. Raise your both hands from side, palms touching each other, and adopt Namaskara Mudra. Relax your shoulder, normalize your breathing, and inhale, raise your both arms, bicep touching to the ear, fingers separate. Move your pelvic forward, engage your buttock. Go for step 2, arch back. Exhale, bend forward, arm extended. Step 3. Hold your ankle and touch your forehead clearly. Inhale, place both palms beside your feet and your right leg back. Tuck your toe on ground and place your right knee on the ground and look up. Exhale, another leg back. Place both heels on the ground. Look at your navel region. Parvatasana. And inhale, knees down, chest down, chin down. Exhale, hold the breath. And inhale, toes pointing out. Lift your upper body from navel region. Look up, step 7. Bhujangasana. Exhale, step 8, Parvatasana. Inhale, left leg forward in between your palms, right knee on the ground. Look up, step 9. Exhale, another leg forward in between palms and touch your forehead to your knee. Inhale, 11, arch back. Exhale, adopt Namaskara Mudra and release your both hands from side. This is the demonstration of Surya Namaskara. Let's come for another next round of Surya Namaskara in rhythmic way. Come to top of the mat with legs together, feet together. Raise your both hands from side. Step 1. Inhale, step 2. Exhale, step 3. Inhale, 4. Exhale, 5. Inhale, exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. Inhale, 11. Exhale, 3. Inhale, 4. Exhale, 5. Inhale, exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. Inhale, 11. Exhale, step 3. Inhale, 4. Exhale, 5. Inhale, exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. Inhale, 11. Exhale, 3. Inhale, 4. Exhale, 5. Inhale, exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. Inhale, 11. Exhale, step 3. Inhale, 4. Exhale, 5. Inhale, exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. Inhale, 11. Exhale, 3. Inhale, 4. Exhale, 5. Inhale, exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. Inhale, 11. Exhale, 3. Inhale, 4. Exhale, 5. Inhale, exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. Inhale, 11. Exhale, 3. Inhale, 4. Exhale, 5. Inhale, exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. Inhale, 11. Exhale, 3. Inhale, 4. Exhale, 5. Inhale, exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. Inhale, 11. Exhale, 12. And release your both hands from side. Sit on the mat. Sit any meditative posture. We can sit on Saralasana. Normally fold your legs. Normalize your breathings. Take few normal breaths. Next, Pranayama yogic abhyasa. Spine should be straight. Keep both hands in Gyan Mudra. First, Pranayama yogic abhyasa. Bhastrika pranayama. Spine should be straight. भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम का अभ्यास हम 3 स्तरों में करेंगे। प्रथम सरल गति से, द्वितीय मध्यम गति से, तृतीय इसे हम तीव्र गति से करेंगे। कमर गर्दन सीधी कर लें। सरल गति का अभ्यास, सांस को पूरा भरना है आपके रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम में और पूरा खाली करना है एक रिदमिक वे में। चलिए प्रारंभ करते हैं प्रथम सरल गति से। नेक्स्ट मध्यम गति से। रिलैक्स। नेक्स्ट तीव्र गति से। तीव्र गति से करने से पूरे इस अभ्यास को कुछ विशेष बातों का ध्यान रखें। हृदय संबंधी रोगी और उच्च रक्तचाप संबंधी यानी हाई ब्लड प्रेशर से संबंधित रोगी इस अभ्यास को तीव्र गति से ना करें। इसको सरल गति से ही अभ्यास कर सकते हैं, परंतु वह भी सावधानी पूर्वक। दोनों हाथों से आप सपोर्ट ले सकते हैं। दोनों हथेलियों से दोनों घुटनों को पकड़ लें। इस प्रकार आरंभ करें तीव्र गति का अभ्यास जो पूर्णतः स्वस्थ है। Relax. Normalize your breathings. अगला अभ्यास कपालभाति प्राणायाम का होगा। कमर गर्दन सीधी कर लें। कपालभाति प्राणायाम का अभ्यास हम 30, 40 एंड 50 के स्ट्रोक्स में करेंगे। कमर गर्दन सीधी कर लें। स्ट्रोक्स के माध्यम से आपको आपके स्टमक को अंदर की ओर धक्का देना है और प्रयत्न करना है कि आपका अपर एब्डोमेन एंड लोअर एब्डोमेन आपके मेरुदंड के समीप जाए और निरंतर रेचक क्रिया का अभ्यास करना है। जब आप स्ट्रोक्स लेते हैं स्टमक के माध्यम से, जब आपका स्टमक अंदर की ओर जाता है, वह पुनः प्रारंभिक स्थिति में आता है तो एक पैसिव इनहेलेशन होता है। जिस पैसिव इनहेलेशन को आपको अगले रेचक क्रिया यानी एक अगले स्ट्रोक्स के माध्यम से बाहर की ओर धक्का देना है। इस प्रकार इसके फर्स्ट 30 स्ट्रोक करेंगे और दूसरे में हम इसके 40 और तीसरे में 50 के स्ट्रोक्स में इस अभ्यास को करेंगे। चलिए कमर गर्दन सीधी करें। प्रथम 30 स्ट्रोक्स। अगला 40 के स्ट्रोक। अगला 50 के स्ट्रोक्स। सामान्य श्वास प्रश्वास। अगला अभ्यास अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम का होगा। कमर गर्दन सीधी कर लें। दाएं हाथ की प्रणव मुद्रा बनाएं। राइट नोस्ट्रल को अंगूठे से बंद करें। इनहेल करें लेफ्ट नोस्ट्रल और लेफ्ट नोस्ट्रल को बंद करें और एक्सहेल करें राइट नोस्ट्रल। पुनः राइट नोस्ट्रल से श्वास भरना है और लेफ्ट से छोड़ना है। इस प्रकार एक चक्र पूर्ण होता है अनुलोम विलोम का। इसी तरह से हमें 10 चक्रों का अभ्यास करना है।
रिलैक्स। श्वासों का प्रवाह सामान्य। अगला अभ्यास भ्रामरी उद्गीत प्राणायाम का होगा। दोनों हाथों की षटमुखी मुद्रा बनाएं। कानों के पटलों को दोनों अंगूठों से बंद करें। पहली उंगली आपके आईब्रोज के ऊपर, दूसरी आपके आईबॉल के ऊपर, तीसरी अपर लिप्स के ऊपर और आपकी लास्ट और पांचवी उंगली आपके लोअर लिप्स के ऊपर। श्वास भरते हुए मौ का उच्चारण करना है। श्वास भरे और मौ का उच्चारण करें। भौरे के समान दांतों को आपस में ना मिलाएं। रिलैक्स। आंखें बंद ही रखें। दोनों हाथों में ज्ञान मुद्रा। कमर गर्दन सीधी करें। ओमकार का प्रणोच्चारण। ओम का नाभि और कंठ से कमर गर्दन सीधी। कुछ देर मौन ही रहें। ओंकार से उत्पन्न ऊर्जा को अपने अंतर मन में आत्मसात करें। दोनों हथेलियों को आपस में मिलाएं और तेजी से रब करें। हाथों में उत्पन्न ऊष्मा को आपके चेहरे पर स्पर्श करें, आंखों पर स्पर्श करें, पूरे तनावपूर्ण अंगों पर स्पर्श करें। हथेलियों को पुनः रब करें, चेहरे पर स्पर्श करें। हथेलियों को चेहरे के समक्ष रखते हुए आंखों को मधुर मुस्कान के साथ खोलें। Namaskaram. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.